And welcome back to my channel for the last episode of this season. Okay, so this is the last episode of the season of unpacking of Pokemon cards, and I'm gonna take a break for a couple of weeks. Okay, for I'm gonna take a break for a couple of weeks, so I just have a I just have a I just have an appointment of my doctor, and I have to prepare for it. So okay, and let's go and let's start it up. Okay, um I have here, okay, gonna uh okay, I have some four I have some four packs here, so two mini booster box, and also I have some two booster packs. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this booster packs. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this booster packs. So it's still the same shiny, shiny, and then got some shiny reverse hollow, and okay, with this one, yes, another toxicity box and a double. Okay, and a big tini, and also a Celebi, a Lapras VMAX, and an Inteleon V. So okay, there's just a bunch of shiny holographic I think. Okay, and also got some, okay, get some things to do, and then I'll have some, okay, another Rillaboom V, Copyraja V. Oh, a Snorlax. Oh, okay, Snorlax VMAX. So all I wanted now is a Snorlax V. Okay, that was new. And oh, a Tapu Koko V. I think I have the VMAX. Okay, I think I have the VMAX of this one. I'm gonna check that out. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. Tapu Koko V. Oh, it's a Meowth VMAX. Oh, I already have a Meowth V, and now a Meowth VMAX. Wow, nice one. So completing that Meowth. Okay, completing that Meowth, and Cinderace B, a Malamar, and a Pincurchin. Whoa, that was an interesting one. Okay, that was a nice pull over there. So I only need the Snorlax V, is because the VMAX, this is because this is the VMAX of Snorlax, right? And then also at Tapu Koko V, but I think I have the VMAX, or I think not the VMAX one, and also the Meowth VMAX. So I think I have the I think I have the I think I have the V of this one. Okay, so and let's gonna open this one. Okay, let's gonna open this one right here, and it's already opening up. Okay, and it's already opening up. Okay, and it's already opening up. And okay, let's go gonna check that out over here. Okay, it's still nothing new about this one. Okay, and then Pikachu, Zacian V-Star, Zamagenta, Duskull, Aparas, Heliolisk, Yanmega, Mew, Luminion, Energy, Diancie, Tangrowth, Mew, Turtwig, Rayquaza, Volcanion, Zacian, Marip, Solrock, and Alaxray, and a Regigigas V-Star. Okay, and a Manaphy. So what is this one? So what is this? Okay, okay, oh, it's a dragon type. Okay, it's a dragon type. Okay, let's check. Oh, okay, I think I know this already. Right? So It's a Rayquaza V. Okay, it's a Rayquaza V. Okay, and I'm gonna file that up later on. So I'm gonna file that up later on. So here it is one. Here this okay. We've got some the Cyan V Star, the Magenta V, the Skull, again a Paras and Lisk. So nothing new about this one. Nothing, Yan Mega, new Luminion, another Energy, another Diancie and Tonic Growth, Mew, third 3 full art, Rayquaza V, Volcanion, Zasayan, Marip, Solrock, Luxray, Vergigigas, and Manafi. So what is this? Okay, it's okay. I think okay. It's have to file it up. So Hatterene VMAX. Okay, and then we have some the magenta on it, and then let's go gonna check that out. Oh, another dragon. Another dragon. Okay, what is this one? Okay, this is an interest. This is some interesting. This is an interesting one. So dragon type. Dragon type. Here we go. Okay, and what? Yes. Duraludon VMAX. Whoa, in a reverse holo, right? Whoa, will you look at that? Very shiny. Okay, holographic. Fake holographic. Okay, fake holographic. Grabe. Grabe, fake holographic. Okay. Ganda oh. Ang ganda. Very, very nice one. Duraludon VMAX and a reverse holo single stripe. Okay, so I'm gonna file this up. Okay, I'm gonna file this up. So we've got some full art, a V star and a basic. Full art over here, and then V card. Okay, gonna have that one that here. I got the V card over here, and legendary basic, V, full art, V. Okay, Tangro. Okay, full art, energy. Okay, I'm gonna have to take that energy over there, and then a full art Luminion V. Mew. Okay, Mew full art. Okay, where's that Mew? And then basic Yan Mega, Heliolisk, full art Paras, Duskull, V, the Cyan V Star, Pikachu, full art, and a Salandit. So okay, and then on to the next is this one. We have some Zamagenta V. Okay, Hatterene VMAX, Manafi full art, Gigas V Star, Luxray, and then a Solrock again, full art, V card. Okay, legendary basic, V card, full art, V card, basic, full art, energy. Okay, we got some energy and aluminium V, full art. Okay, basic, full art, and a V card, and also a V star. Okay, so that's it, and got some and this is one interesting facts over there. So we've got some Meowth VMAX, Tapu Koko and a Snorlax VMAX, and then a Duraludon VMAX over here. Okay, and that's it, guys. So okay, that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and click that notification bell below so that you will notify all of the upcoming future vlogs here in my channel. So thank you again, and I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a 1 week break. So gonna be okay, 1 week break. I'm gonna take a 1 week break next week. Okay, so and I hope you're gonna be waiting for it. Okay, so if I don't have a new vlogs, please don't unsubscribe. Okay, wag po kayong mag-unsubscribe po sa channel ko kung wala akong vlog. So maghintay lang po kayo. Okay, so just be patient po. Just be patient if I don't have vlogs. Okay, so anong date nga pala ngayon? So I think next week ay appointment ko sa doctor ko. May appointment ako sa doctor ko, at saka hindi ako makagawa po ng vlogs. Okay, so and I hope you will understand, and I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.